Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install VS Code in Git, then open your project folder. Generate an SSH key or prepare a personal access token for HTTPS. This is authentication, so it matters. In VS Code terminal, run git init, git add, and git commitm init to create a local snapshot. Once done, add the remote with git, remote add origin repo URL, so VS Code knows where to push. Now you connect VS Code with GitHub and manage branches. Set the upstream with git push uorigin main so future git push uses that link automatically. This is how VS Code syncs. Use the source control panel to stage files, write clear commit messages, and switch or create branches for features. If conflicts occur, open the diff view in VS Code, resolve lines, then commit. Make small, frequent pushes to keep history clean and remote sync reliable. Finish by ensuring your local and remote match, and know a key troubleshooting tip. Always pull before pushing. Run git pull rebase origin main to integrate upstream changes cleanly. If authentication fails, check your SSH key loaded in the agent or your personal access token scopes in GitHub. Re-authenticate in VS Code if needed. If push is rejected, fetch and inspect differences, then rebase or merge locally and test before pushing. Only force push when you understand the consequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.